This is Roger at Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. Let's take a look at this little marine engine. I'm pretty sure it's out of a boat of some kind, a little boat. Kind of a neat little engine. It's got a piston valve on it. Got reversing. Got a water pump. Got nice reversing. The piston valve was wore out. I made a new piston valve for it, and the rings in this engine when I got it were made out of string. Somebody improvised, I guess, so I made some nylon or Teflon rings for it, which are okay, but they could be better. That's not a huge deal. I just was in a hurry. So anyway, let's see this little guy run. This is a fairly small engine, you can see, compared to that one there, or the larger marine engine there. Just a kind of a nice size engine. If you're building a small boat, it would be perfect. If you know me very well, you will realize that I did not paint this engine. I try not to paint stuff. I like to leave it original. If you know who painted this engine, please tell them I don't think it was a very smart idea to do. But anyway, there it is. I guess we could take something and take the paint off it. Let's see if it'll reverse. There's a little water pump. Here's part of the old piston ring. It looks like it was wore out. They had string behind this one, and the other one didn't even have a ring. It was just string. Kind of interesting. Actually, here's some of the string right here that was in there. I guess if you're out in the ocean 20 miles from home and you need to make a piston ring, I guess string will work. Well, thanks for watching.